This is a song about Trevor and Kai. Just say to them when they're walking by, I am Trevor and this is Kai. Now it's time for Kai to say hi. I am Trevor and this is Kai. Now it's time for Kai to say hi. This is a verse about Lou and his cats. He has got 6 of them, 6 of them, can you beat that? I am Lou and these are my cats. They sound like this when they're chasing rats. I am Lou and these are my cats. They sound like this when they're chasing rats. Here is a line about Diana Foo and her pigs. She keeps them near her house. Her house, could you ever dig? Hanging out with Foo and her pigs.
Hanging out with Foo and her pigs?
Hanging out with Foo and her pigs.
Hanging out with Foo and her pigs?
This is a song about Trevor and Kai, Diana, Foo and Lou, and dogs and cat, pigs and why they have brought their animals here, so we can have a chance to hear